Let's talk today about possession of controlled substance, including manufacturing and delivery. Now, what's the most important thing regarding possession of controlled substance? Well, that would be whether the search that led to the discovery of the items was proper, whether that search was conducted pursuant to a warrant or whether it was a warrantless search or a warrantless arrest. Now, if it's a warrantless arrest, there has to be a valid reason for contact. There has to be a good traffic stop if that's what it was. And they can't extend it improperly to try to get to a search by some other means, like, for instance, getting a drug dog on scene to sniff for contraband. There has to be a facially valid warrant. They have to stay within the bounds of the warrant. They can't serve it after the warrant has expired. So the remedy for them doing things improperly, the remedy is for them to have the evidence suppressed through a motion suppress or have the evidence excluded, so that they can no longer use it. It's called the fruit of the poisonous tree. If they don't have evidence, they can't present a case, they dismiss the case.